In this video, we delve into the history of some of the deadliest tornadoes in the United States, exploring their devastating impact on communities and families. From the infamous Tri-State tornado of 1925, which carved a path of destruction across 3 states, to the tragic events in Joplin, Missouri in 2011, we'll examine the scale of devastation these natural disasters wrought. Join us as we highlight key incidents, their historical context, and the lessons learned in understanding and preparing for these powerful forces of nature. 1. Tri-State Tornado, March 18, 1925. The Tri-State tornado is infamous for being the deadliest tornado in U.S. history. On March 18, 1925, this formidable F5 tornado carved a path of destruction across 3 states, Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Its sheer power and longevity were unprecedented, staying on the ground for about 3.5 hours and covering over 200 miles. Approximately 695 lives were tragically lost, leaving communities shattered in its wake. The tornado's path was marked by flattened towns, uprooted trees, and debris scattered miles away. It was a testament to nature's ability to unleash chaos in an instant. Even today, the Tri-State tornado serves as a somber reminder of the importance of preparedness and the need for advanced warning systems. 2. St. Louis East St. Louis Tornado, May 27, 1896. Striking the heart of St. Louis, Missouri, the St. Louis East St. Louis tornado of 1896 was another devastating event in U.S. history. This F4 tornado caused at least 255 fatalities and left more than 1,000 people injured. Its path length was about 10 miles, and it remained on the ground for approximately 45 minutes. The tornado wreaked havoc on both sides of the Mississippi River, with East St. Louis bearing a significant brunt of the damage. Buildings crumbled, and entire neighborhoods were reduced to rubble. The aftermath was a city grappling with loss and a massive rebuilding effort. This tornado highlighted the vulnerability of urban areas to such natural disasters and underscored the importance of robust infrastructure. 3. Joplin, Missouri Tornado, May 22, 2011. In recent memory, the Joplin tornado stands out as one of the deadliest in modern U.S. history. On May 22, 2011, an EF5 tornado tore through Joplin, Missouri, resulting in 158 fatalities and injuring over 1,000 people. The tornado's path was 22 miles long, and it remained on the ground for about 38 minutes. The destruction was both extensive and heartbreaking, with homes, schools, and businesses obliterated in minutes. The Joplin tornado serves as a stark reminder of nature's unpredictability and the need for communities to have effective emergency plans. The city's resilience in the face of such tragedy has been inspiring, showcasing the human spirit's ability to rebuild and recover. 4. Waco, Texas Tornado, May 11, 1953. The Waco tornado of 1953 was another catastrophic event, marking a dark day in Texas history. This F5 tornado struck the city of Waco, causing 114 deaths and injuring 597 people. With a path length of 10 miles, it remained on the ground for about 45 minutes, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The heart of Waco was devastated, with significant damage to buildings, infrastructure, and countless lives disrupted. For many, it was a day of terror and loss, illustrating the ferocity and suddenness with which tornadoes can strike. The Waco tornado emphasized the need for improved forecasting and public awareness, leading to advancements in meteorological science and warning systems. 5. Worcester, Massachusetts Tornado, June 9, 1953. On June 9, 1953, an F4 tornado descended upon Worcester, Massachusetts, marking one of the deadliest tornadoes in New England's history. This tornado resulted in 94 fatalities and left over 1,000 people injured. Its path spanned 46 miles and was on the ground for about an hour. The tornado's impact was profound, with widespread destruction of homes, businesses, and infrastructure. The Worcester tornado was a wake-up call for the region, which was not accustomed to such severe tornadoes. It highlighted the need for increased awareness and preparedness, even in areas not typically associated with tornado activity. The event spurred significant advancements in tornado research and safety protocols. 6. Flint Beecher, Michigan tornado, June 8, 1953. The Flint Beecher tornado of June 8, 1953, was a powerful F5 tornado that struck Michigan with devastating force. It caused 116 deaths and left 844 people injured, marking one of the deadliest tornadoes in Michigan's history. With a path length of 27 miles, the tornado was on the ground for about an hour, creating a wide swath of destruction. Entire neighborhoods were obliterated, and the community was left grappling with the immense loss. The Flint Beecher tornado underscored the importance of effective warning systems and community preparedness. This tragic event led to significant improvements in tornado detection and forecasting, helping to save lives in future storms. 7. New Richmond, Wisconsin tornado, June 12, 1899. The New Richmond tornado of June 12, 1899, was a devastating F5 tornado that struck Wisconsin with lethal force. It resulted in 117 fatalities and injured 200 people. The tornado's path was about 10 miles long, and it was on the ground for approximately 30 minutes. The town of New Richmond was particularly hard hit, with significant damage to buildings and infrastructure. The aftermath was a scene of chaos and destruction, with the community struggling to cope with the devastation. This tornado is a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of such natural disasters and the need for preparedness and resilience in the face of adversity. 8. Murfreesboro, Illinois tornado, March 18, 1925. On the same day as the tri-state tornado, another deadly tornado struck Murfreesboro, Illinois. This F4 tornado caused 234 deaths and injured 600 people. It had a path length of 10 miles and was on the ground for about an hour. The Murfreesboro tornado was part of the larger outbreak that included the tri-state tornado, adding to the day's devastation. The impact was severe, with homes destroyed, lives lost, and communities left in turmoil. This event highlighted the need for comprehensive tornado preparedness and response plans, which have since become integral to community safety measures. 9. Kansas City, Missouri tornado, May 20, 1957. The Kansas City tornado of May 20, 1957, was a powerful F5 tornado that struck with deadly force. It resulted in 44 fatalities and injured 400 people. The tornado's path spanned 10 miles, and it was on the ground for about 30 minutes. The destruction was significant, with homes, businesses, and infrastructure severely damaged. The Kansas City tornado emphasized the importance of effective warning systems and public awareness, leading to advancements in tornado preparedness and response strategies. This tragic event served as a catalyst for improvements in meteorological science, helping to save lives in future storms.